Hey guys, this is a live trade. We're looking at the Australian dollar, US dollar, the 15-minute chart. I have a couple of indicators that signaled me for this trade. Now they're down here, they're hidden away. You're going to see what they are on the inside, and I'll teach you everything you need to know about them. But they are signaling a trade. It was this candle here that I want to get short on. So what I'm going to do right now is place a trade. One lot. I want to sell at market. Alright, so we're in the trade. Now, my profit target, I'm going to put in this area here, this general area. Well, let's go for about here. Stop loss, again, of course, will go over top of the swing high. And we'll manage the trade as it goes. So I'm going to put my stop and my profit target into my platform. Hang on a sec. I'm going to write this down on a piece of paper. 1.06820 for my stop and 1.06356 for my take profit. All right, trade, right click, modify my stop loss. I went 1.06820 and take profit was 1.06356. Perfect. Oh, hang on, there we go. This trade is a little bit higher risk than we usually like to take, and again, you'll find out why that's the case in the system itself. But right now, we're entered into this short trade on the Australian dollar, US dollar 15-minute chart, and I am going to put the video on pause now, and I will be back if we get stopped out, or if we need to adjust our stop loss, or whatever the case may be, if we get taken out in profit, of course. So we'll be back in a very short time. This is a 15-minute chart, so it won't take too long. I'll see you in just a few minutes. Hey there, we're back. Time to manage the trade a little bit. We had the trade go in our favor nicely, but the candles were small. And then we had this big retracement candle. And that was okay. What happened was the market quickly turned around and it started going in our favor. Now we can expect this kind of action to happen from time to time. We don't like it, and it can be nerve-wracking a little bit if you're not used to it, but you have to allow it do what it's going to do. There's a natural kind of ebb and flow that the markets go through, and you'll experience these kinds of things throughout your trade. But now is time that we move our stop loss. Now I'm going to move it to just over this swing high here. There's a reason for it. I cover it in the manual, I cover it in the DVDs. But here I'm going to move to 106749. So open up the charts. Modify order, stop loss 106749. I always write this stuff down. When I draw a line on the chart like this, I write it down on my little scratch pad so that I don't have to flip back and forth. It makes it a lot smoother transition. Okay, stop loss has been moved to over this swing high, so we've almost cut the risk in half. So if we lose this trade, it's going to be half as much as we had initially risked. And that's always a good thing. Always, always, always. In the Master Method system, I really do encourage and stress and focus on trade management, money management. Now what have we got here? The window is out here. Okay. Alright, I'm going to put the video back on pause. I'll come back if we get close to hitting our profit target, or if I have to manage the trade some more. So I will see you when I come back. I am back again. The market has met the requirement that I set out to move my stop to break even. So I am going to do that right now. We go modify. Stop loss goes to 650. Okay. Stop loss, I move just a hair underneath. So if we get stopped out now, there's nothing lost on the trade. It doesn't look like we're going to get stopped out. It looks like the market is making a beeline for our profit target. And there's a reason why I put the profit target where I put it. And again, that's covered in the manual. It's covered in the DVDs. There's no if, ands, or buts. You'll understand exactly what I'm doing when you get the Master Method course. Okay. I'm going to put the video on pause again, and when we get really close to taking profit, I will be back, and we'll go from there. See you very, very shortly. Hey there, we are back and very, very close to hitting our profit target. It might actually have to go a little bit below before it actually closes a trade. But here, at this point, we had a very large blue candle, but didn't let that shake us out of the trade. We have to adhere to the rules, and we have to allow the trade to mature. So here we go. We're looking to be taken out. Let's get the... So we're at $286 in profit right now. It's almost a 30 pip trade. So we'll hang out here for a minute. We'll allow this trade to get that extra little bit and take us out. So in the oh, here we go, a little push. What I was going to say is in the system itself, the Master Method system, all of this stuff, everything that I'm doing right here is laid out A, B, C. There's no question. You know exactly why I put my profit target where I did. You'll know why I took the trade. You'll know why and how and when I moved my stop to break even. All of that stuff is going to be laid out point by point. There's no question at all. It's very simple to learn. It really is a very cool. It's an efficient system, and this trade is something I can do all day. I can take these trades one after another, and of course, they don't all 100% of the time work out, but most of the time they do. And this is just an example of yet another successful trade that the Master Method system has produced. Now, successful, maybe I'm speaking too soon. It hasn't quite hit the profit target. It got very, very close. It actually crossed the line by a pip, it looks like. And next time it does that, maybe we can close the trade manually. So what I'm going to do now is instead of holding you up any longer, I'm going to put the video on pause. When the currency comes back, when the market comes back to this line, then I'll be back. But you never know. Maybe things will change. Maybe stuff will turn around. Maybe I'll have an opportunity here to manage the trade a little bit more. Because this is a 15-minute chart, and there is only a couple minutes left for this candle. So we'll see how this plays out. And I'll be back in just a minute. Hey there. The new candle started. We have this one candle. It just touches the take profit. It misses it by about a pip. It touches it and then it pulls back, and then touched it and then pulled back, and then touched it and pulled back. It's teasing us. So we're just going to hang out here and we're going to see what happens. We're so close, and it's important that at this point though, we could close the trade manually. Like, it's only 1 or 2 pips away. So if we want, we could close the trade manually and bag the profit and be on our way, because it has really essentially touched our take profit. Price might turn around. It might come back up and then come down. It might take a little bit longer to actually get here, or over the next minute, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, it might just blow through this level. So right now, it's really up to you. Do you want to close the trade manually, or should we wait it out? I think I want to wait it out. It only needs to get a couple pips in our favor, and it hasn't quite hit that super important level yet, the one that it will get rejected at. So it is going to more than likely take out our profit target, but you never know. So I'll put the video back on pause. When it looks like we get to the same sort of level here, then I will come back. We're back, and is this it? Is it going to tag our profit? There we go. We close the trade. Hey there. This is just a cool little tidbit that's at the end of the trade. We closed out this trade at profit. This candle right here got us out. We hit our take profit on this candle, and what happened next is the market reversed and went in the other direction. So if greed got the best of us, if we decided to hang on for any longer, what would have happened is we would have been giving back everything we made. Now that really is not a good thing. And the master method system, I go over all of those aspects with you. We learn how to place our take profit. And this was a stellar example because we just nailed it almost to the pip. So this is a really nice example, but I just wanted to show you kind of what happened after the fact. After we closed that trade, after we got the profit, price turned around and we did manage to nail the bottom of this trade. The master method system shows you exactly how to do all of this stuff, so there's nothing left out. All right, well, that's all. I just wanted to show you what happened afterwards. So you take care, and I hope to see you on the inside. Bye-bye.